In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Google Calendar appointment booking page to your Wix website step by step. This guide will help you seamlessly integrate your booking system with your website, enabling your clients or customers to book appointments directly from your site. First, start by opening Google Calendar. You're going to want to navigate to your booking schedule where all your appointments are managed. This is the essential starting point since the calendar is where you maintain your appointments and availability. Once you're there, look for the three dots icon, which typically represents more actions or settings. Clicking on these will open a few more sharing settings for you to explore. Next, click on More Sharing Options. This option provides additional settings that allow you to customize how your calendar can be integrated or shared. Then you'll find an option labeled Website Embed. Select this option as it enables you to generate the HTML code necessary for embedding the booking calendar onto your site. Afterwards, you'll want to click on Inline Booking Page. Selecting this option will give you a neat, easy-to-use interface that will be transferred to your Wix site. It provides a cleaner, more professional-looking display for your website visitors. Now you'll see an option to copy code. Clicking this will copy the HTML embed code to your clipboard, which you'll insert into your Wix site in the following steps. This code is essentially the digital blueprint or building blocks for embedding your calendar. Switching over to Wix, the first step is to open your website editor and click on Add Element. Elements in Wix can be text, images, videos, or in our case, an HTML embed. This feature allows you to add various types of content and functionality to your site seamlessly. In the search bar within the Add panel, look up HTML. Once you've typed this in, you'll see an option to choose Embed HTML. Selecting this tells Wix specifically what type of content you plan to add, a block of code. Next, you'll click on Code, which will provide a space to enter the HTML code you copied from Google Calendar. In this section, paste the code by simply clicking into the code editor and using your paste function. This step directly links your Google Calendar booking page to your Wix site. Finally, after pasting, click on Update. This action ensures that all the settings are saved and applied, allowing your booking calendar to now appear on your website. And there you have it. Your Google Calendar appointment booking page is now fully integrated with your Wix website, ready for your clients or customers to start booking appointments. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide makes managing your appointments that much easier.